In this video, I will show you how you can use slide over on any iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Multitasking and Gestures. Now from here, instead of full screen apps, just either select Windowed Apps or Stage Manager. Now I will select Windowed Apps. Now after you select either of them, then just go to your home screen and open any app. For example, I will open the Calculator app. And after you do that, then just swipe up and open the app in a pop-up window. Now just tap and hold on the three dots over here. And after you do that, then just select Enter Slide Over. Now as you can see, we have successfully opened the selected app in Slide Over. And you will be able to open the selected app by just swiping from the left or from the right side. Just like that. Now this option is good. For an example, if you open the browser and if you search a product, and you can open the calculator or the notes app on the side. Now if you want to turn off slide over, then just swipe from the left or from the right side and open the app which is set on slide over, then tap and hold on the three dots over here. Now from this pop-up menu, just select exit slide over. Now if you do that, you will turn off slide over on your iPad, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.